Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a word cloud using Wooclap in a Google Meet. First of all, you're going to sign in to your Wooclap account. If you need to, you can change the language right here. You're going to then create an event, and for this purpose we're going to choose word cloud, but there are many other types of questions in Wooclap. I'm going to write a question for my students. For example, I can ask them what they know about a zoo. Let's pretend I'm doing an activity for elementary school. At the same time, I want to make sure my question, they will be able to answer my question with a word or two, because for this activity, I don't want any sentences. So I could ask them what they could find in a zoo, what they could see at the zoo. There are different settings that I could change, so make sure you check those before you start your activity. For this activity, I want to be a moderator, so I want to see what they write before it gets to the cloud. I won't allow them to write likes, but I will allow them to write multiple answers. So once I'm done with the settings, I can go and click Start on my activity. Once I click Start, I will have a code to share with the students. I would simply copy the link and share the link to my students in my Google Meet. Once I paste it, I'll need to click on Delete so that it all get together for the right link to be sent to the students. Otherwise, it's separated in two parts. Now what I want to do is make sure my two tabs are side by side. I can use a Google extension to do so. Many extensions exist. They allow me to put my tabs side by side. Otherwise, I can just move one tab and reduce it so that I can see both tabs at the same time. This is really helpful for me to see my quiz and my students without navigating from one tab to another all the time. Now let's see what it looks like from the student's point of view. So here I am in the student's account. I'm going to click on the chat and on the link that my teacher sent to me. It's going to open a new tab in which I can write my answer or answers. It would be a good thing to explain to students that they could have both tabs open at the same time as well, but you don't have to, depending on the activity that you are asking them to complete. So let's write a couple answers in here of different animals that I can see at the zoo. It could be animals, but it could be anything that I see at the zoo. Going back to the teacher's account, I still have my two tabs open. I can see live what the kids are writing. It's creating a word cloud. This word cloud can have many purposes. For this activity, the word cloud was meant to front load vocabulary or to brainstorm on vocabulary that could be encountered in the story, so that when the kids read, listen, or view the story, it'll be less complicated for them to understand. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.